He's a sleepy puppy. Yeah. He's sleeping. Well, guys, today, since it's super hot outside, we're gonna make a video inside. I think Kitt's waking up. We're gonna do a video showing all of his toys. And I'm gonna show you his least favorite toys all the way up to his very favorite toys. It may be a boring video for some, but you know what? If you're a pet owner, if you own a puppy, you own a dog, you might find interest in this. I would. I definitely would. But it is very, very hot outside. And when it's this hot, I only take Kitt in and out to go pee or poo. That's it. Nothing else. It is too dang hot for that. So guys, let me go ahead and get all of his toys racked up. And I guarantee once I get that going, he's going to wake up. Then I got to take him out to go potty. Then we'll do this video with Kitt. That should be interesting. Because every toy I have on the side, he's going to grab. I'm going to try to put them in order. Alright guys, I see you in a little bit. Oh, somebody's awake. Kitt, you got to go out? Got to go out? Huh? Well, Daddy's going to do some video. And when you got to go out, come on out of the crate, okay? I got quite a few toys to get through here, and I hope it ain't too dark. I'm sorry if it is. And when Kitt comes out, I gotta take him out to use the potty, and yeah, he's gonna mix up all these toys. But right off the bat, the least favorite toy he owns is this one right here. Let me show you. It's a Blockbuster. He does not pay this one any attention until today. And when he got a hold of it, he started chewing on the Velcro. So I had to put that up until I could figure out how to get that off, because he's chewing on pieces. I don't want him swallowing it, but today's the only day he's paid attention to this, and we've had it for 3 weeks now. Yeah, that's his least favorite one. The next one is one of them I like a lot. I call it the party bus. Now, he will play with this on fetch. If I throw it out there, he will bring it back. But as far as sitting there chewing on it, enjoying it, no. He don't really care for that one either. Now we have a root beer. Now, he will bring this back on fetch. If I throw it out there, he'll bring it back. But just like the party bus, no. He does nothing with it. Not a darn thing. Okay, let's zip right through his least favorite real quick. We'll go through them real fast. The next one is the little bear. I like this one. This is the one we usually leave in his crate when he's taking a nap or it's nighttime. He does chew it on a little bit. He doesn't bring it back for fetch. Pretty much it's his night time bear. Yeah, I throw it out, he won't bring it back on fetch. No. Now this right here is just like a little package. It had a fish in it. Yeah, this opens up and it had a fish in it, and now the fish looked just like that right there. He done chewed it all to pieces. But this he will play fetch with, and on occasions he will chew on it, but that's about it. Another least favorite of his. You about ready to go out soon, Kitt? Huh? I'm a-waiting. Now here's his book. He will play fetch with this. He will chew on this, but not that much. I was hoping he'd do a lot more with it because it's pretty sturdy. I mean, the fabric on this thing is pretty tough, but yeah. Now the next ones are a step up from his non-favorite ones. These are the ones he will play fetch with. He will chew on them a lot, but they're not his favorites. And we'll go through these pretty darn quick. As a matter of fact, we may do all this in one take. Okay, this little basket right here is like a popcorn holder. And what he had in there was a little round thing that looked like popcorn. He chewed the crap out of that. That was one of his favorites, but this is all that's left. He will play fetch with this. Next, this is supposed to be a rack of lambs. No ribs. Oh my gosh. Well, hello there. Hey, handsome. Want to go out and go potty? Well, let me get you out right now. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, I remember. Some kind of rib or something. He does play with this one on fetch. He chews on it a little bit, but it's one of his newer ones too. That's about all he does. Now this one and this one are potatoes. He loves to play with these for fetch. Oh yeah. He'll chew on them every now and then, but that's about it. Now next, I picked this up for him the other day at Walgreens. Now you see the white part of it? That reminded me of the popcorn he had that he loves so much. Ain't that right, kid? And you're chewing on one of the toys, one of your favorite ones, but this right here reminded me of that, and he doesn't like it as much as he did that popcorn, but he loves to play fetch with this. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the favorite ones. This right here, and I hope it ain't too dark in here guys, this is what I call Mr. Legs. This is his second one, and when this gets torn up, I will buy a third one. That's one of his favorites. He will play fetch, tug of war with it, and he will chew on it and enjoy this for good periods of time. And the next one he's chewing on right now, and that's his tennis ball. Now I do have to keep an eye on these because, oh, see, right there. When they start getting fuzzies on them, then I can't have them chewing that off and eating it and swallowing it, because I know it's not good for puppies. So I got to really keep an eye on them. That's right. It's okay, kid. You can play on it with it right now. Daddy's watching you. Now the next one I'm going to show you really isn't a favorite. As a matter of fact, this one doesn't fall in any category. Not at all. And all it is just a little bone like this. That's all. Just a little bone like this. And the reason I'm putting this up in the favorites because he does chew on it a lot. Let me tell you, when we use this, we keep this up on the couch with us, or basically in the car and transport, and when he's chewing on us, we give him this, and he would chew on this. Now I would make this go squeak, but it has a very high powerful squeaker, which is good, because anytime this little guy right here is chewing on something he's not supposed to be chewing on, like the edge of the carpet and etc., I make this little thing right here squeak real loud and it gets his attention. Then I throw it down to him like that. Whoops, I'm sorry, I hit you in the head, didn't I? Daddy, sorry. His favorite toy ball, and he just got this the other day, guys. My son Damien bought him what I call a fish. It is his favorite. This right here is his very favorite toy. He will play fetch, tug of war. He will chew it. He will fall asleep on it. He loves this toy. But as you can see right now, he's just playing with this tennis ball. Here, Kitt. Here. Play with that instead. Now, if I throw it, I wonder what he'll do. Let's find out. Go get it, Kitt. Well, I guarantee if I throw this tennis ball, you'll chase after that, now won't you? Let's find out. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, ready? Go get it, Kitt. There he goes. Now what I do is, when he brings back one of them, I will basically, you gotta be careful putting your hands near his mouth if it's a small item he has. But I would try to touch it or ask him to leave it. Then I'll throw another one out there real quick for him to go bring that back. That's about all the toys he has right now, guys. And he's destroyed about 5 or 6 of them. So when we can, we usually get a new toy, and I would imagine what he has now may not last out the week. Now, this right here is not going to. I can tell you, yeah, I'm going to put that up right now until I can somehow take a pair of scissors and get all this crap off. But yeah, what you see down here will not last out the week, guaranteed. Then we buy new toys. Ain't that right, kid? Huh? What do you think of all this? What do you think of all this, huh? Daddy's showing your toys. Yeah, he is. I may fog up because it's very humid out here, but with the heat and humidity the way it is right now, I only bring him out long enough to use the bathroom. That's it. All the training, he ain't gonna get no outings until the heat breaks, which is supposed to break, I think, in the next couple days. So I will make another video, something indoors, showing Kitt. But I definitely do not want to keep my puppy out here where it's very, very hot and humid. No, I don't. Do I, Kitt? Do I want to keep you out here when it's hot and humid? No. So you may have videos like this, the next couple ones, until the heat breaks, guys. It may be short, I don't know. It may be long. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Leave me comments. If you have a dog at home, doesn't have to be a puppy. Let me know what your dog's favorite toy is, or your puppy's. I would like to know. Until next time, Kitt. I can't want to call him Kick. Why is it I don't mess up on that until I turn on the video? Yeah, till my camera goes on, that's when I mess up. Kitt and I will see you in a couple days. Come on, let's get out of here.